Coffee with Mighty Recommender. Happy Independence Day if you're in the U.S. 4th of July, it's exciting fireworks. It's so much fun. Enjoy the fireworks tonight if you're in the U.S. or if you want to send them off elsewhere, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years. Made it this far, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up, and if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.